Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we'll be learning a short tap combination. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the playlist Beginner Tap Steps that is up on the channel already. I will leave this playlist linked below as I run through the steps we will be performing in this video in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be travelling forward with the right leg first, performing a flap heel. Then the same with the left leg, followed by a flap heel ball change with the right leg. We are then going to step backwards with our left leg and pick up with our right leg. Then step backwards with the right, pick up with the left. Then step backwards with the left, pick up with the right. Then step, step. Perfect. Let's put that together again from the beginning. So, starting with our right leg first, we have a flap heel. Perfect. Let's move on to the next section. So we have a 5-beat cramp roll starting with the right leg first, followed by a flap to the side and then a flap heel transferring our weight onto the right leg. Perfect. This then repeats on the left leg. Perfect. Let's put that together starting with the 5-beat cramp roll on the right leg first. So we have perfect. Let's go from the very beginning and piece together all the steps that we've learnt. So, with our feet in parallel and our knees slightly bent, starting with the right leg first, we have a flap heel. Perfect! Now, let's place this short tap combination with some music. Perfect, so there you have it, a beginner short tap combination.